Robotics is a class that we offer for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We met with Dow a couple of years ago, and they were interested in partnering with us. But I really want to push it because STEM is what everybody's looking for and what everybody's talking about. And of course, there's a lot of money in STEM. And so what we're hoping to do is transition from the 5th grade over to here to help freshen up their skills and build on their skills. But also I want to see our kids travel outside of Orange to compete.
I teach the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade robotics class here at the middle school. And this year, TinkerWorks has brought us 2 different kinds of kits for the kids to put together. One is the Tinker Drone. As they're building the vehicle, step by step, they're learning about the technology that's incorporated in the vehicle. They're also learning about theory, physics, air flight. So they learn about thrust, pitch, yaw, and roll. And so they also learn about propellers, why they have to turn clockwise, why they turn counterclockwise, leading edge of the blade, basic thoughts and ideas of flight. And then after they have successfully put it together, we take it out and we let them fly it. First time that we have done this type of activities, the kids love it. They love the hands-on aspect of it. They're able to get in there and understand the concept with their hands, with their minds, and then actually see it in flight. And what really works great with this is that this technology, that I can apply this to what they're doing in real life. So NASA right now is sending Perseverance towards Mars. So Curiosity was the drone that was put there back in 2012, I believe is when it was. And they sent recently a new one there, and it's going to have a drone attached to its belly. So they get to see soon, I think it lands in February, that a drone will land on the surface of Mars. It will be used for photography, and it has purpose. And so I told the kids, hey, we're using these in our world for all kinds of things. Another aspect where drones are used in our world is when there's an accident and they need to fully understand the whole situation. A person will go to the scene where the accident took place with the drone, go up and look to see exactly what happened. And there's an unlimited opportunity for using drones, I believe.
Since I've taken this class, I've kind of known how it works and what's in it that makes it go and what makes it stop. And it's a really fun class to learn something new. This is one of my favorite classes of the day.